When using NC-SIML, it is possible to view the active motion of the toolpath in several different ways. In addition to the HUD and status window, there is a setting to receive a readout about the type of motion actively occurring directly in the 3D window. The active G or M code can be displayed, and additionally, a more specific callout about the type of motion that is being completed can also be shown. After identifying in the controller which codes are valuable to show in the window, navigate to the Display ribbon. In Parameters, click on the toolpath icon and then on the Symbols tab. From this window, the selection for which codes to be displayed occurs. The activity of the symbols work in conjunction with the toolpath selections, so all instances in the program can be displayed outright, or they can appear as the program progresses. Additionally, arrows that indicate the direction of travel along the toolpaths can be added. Another strategy is to take advantage of the multi-window view by having one view that just focuses on the material removal and another that displays all of the codes in the window as they are called. With so many resources at one's disposal, the programmer can verify exactly how the G-code is telling the machine to move, and therefore can prevent any sort of crash or unexpected motion before the program is sent to the shop floor.